Morning everyone. Let us understand the next part of the story, quality. One day, by mistake, the author went to the shop of Mr. Gessler wearing shoes made by some other firms. Staring at boots, Mr. Gessler said that these boots were not made by him. He said big firms don't have self-respect. They attract customers with their advertisement and not with their work. Because of this, Mr. Gessler was losing on business, means he was going through a very difficult time. Finding Mr. Gessler in pain, the author called those boots bought from big firms ill-omened, means unlucky. The author had heard such things for the first time from Mr. Gessler. He felt bad for Mr. Gessler, who was really talented and made great boots. Then the author ordered many pairs of boots instantly. After several months, he went to their shop again, but this time he mistook Mr. Gessler for his elder brother. There was very thin lining of hair left on the top of his head. He looked tired and exhausted. After a while, he realized his mistake and got to know that his elder brother was dead. He had passed away, and the person who was in front of him was not his elder brother, he was Mr. Gessler himself. The author felt sorry. Then Mr. Gessler asked whether he wanted any boots. The author again ordered many pairs of shoes, and soon after he went abroad. Abroad means foreign country. After returning back to London, again he went to his favorite boot shop. This time Mr. Gessler looked more aged. Only a year had passed, but from his face it appeared as though several years had passed. When the author went abroad, Mr. Gessler was 60 years old, but after 1 year only he looked as if he was 75 years. Mr. Gessler failed to recognize the author as he had really grown old. He asked the author whether he wanted some more pairs of boots. He said he can make them quickly because it is an slack time, means he was free nowadays. He did not have much work to do. He did not have any orders. The author answered that of course he wanted boots. When the author got the boots ready, one evening he tried them on. The boots were perfectly fit and quality of leather was the best. The author took the boots and went downstairs and wrote a check, means he paid the money. Tomorrow we will understand the next part of the story. Thank you.